Hello everyone, in this video I will show you, and basically we are going to talk about off-brand apparels review, right? And we will, by the end of this video, we will find out that whether it's legit or a scam website. So there's a lot of things. First of all, the customer experience, and the first one is a scam allegation, right? So this is a website, and as you can see here, nothing is happening. I'm trying to scroll down and nothing. I can just go to the game section, and here it is just an affiliate website, right? This is nothing apparels. So this is a problem, and many users platform like Reddit have reported negative experience. So let me show you. As you can see here, the off-brand shop here, and here you can see this is a completely fake and reported negative experience, claiming the off-brand apparel is a scam. Customers have described issues such as undelivered orders, unauthorized charges to their account, and unresponsive customer service, right? But if I just try to go and look in the Google, here I find true website of off-brand, right? So this is the offbrandapparels.co, and this is, as you can see here, the brand spelling is completely wrong, and this is a completely different, right? So let's check both of them. So let's click on the second one, and here it is. And as you can see here, this is also a clothing website, but this one is a completely a fake one, right? So let me show you. This one is right. So as you can just go through and read here, these are some of the customer reviews we have, purchase product. And the second thing is red flag noted in reviews. So Europe review have highlighted several concerning aspects of off-brand apparels, right? So they give you unrealistic, offers, discount, and everything. And if I just go and look for their customer service, let's go to the bottom and let's find out that whether they have or not. Yes, they have, but I try to call them and they doesn't try to pick it up. That's a thing. And shipping issue, customer reported significantly delays and missing items, which are often indicative of poor logistic practice. There's a no transparency, the quality of the product is not good, right? And so in a conclusion, if you see there's an overwhelmingly number of negative reviews and the presence of multiple red flags, it is advisable to exercise cautious when considering a purchase from off-brand apparels. I hope you found this video very useful. If it did, subscribe.